Greetings, everyone. Today, we have David from Dallas joining us for a discussion that delves into an intriguing aspect of personal finance. So here's the situation. My wife and I underwent Financial Peace University 6 years ago when we were engaged. Fast forward to the present, we're just $5,000 away from being debt-free, excluding our mortgage. We're pastors in Texas, and we're moving to Oklahoma to lead a church. The exciting part is that we'll have a parsonage, so no mortgage there. My dream is financial independence from the church, and I'm contemplating turning our Texas home into an Airbnb for additional income. What are your thoughts on this move? Host: I appreciate your goal, David. While your plan isn't bad, I'd advise selling the house, moving the funds to Oklahoma, and considering buying your first rental property there. Airbnb in particular poses 3 challenges that many enthusiasts often overlook. Firstly, there's a significant amount of hassle involved. Managing multiple short-term renters each month requires meticulous attention to detail, including cleaning, maintenance, and logistics, much more than a traditional rental. I have family in Texas who could manage the property for me. Be cautious, as relying on family can sometimes lead to complications. The hassle factor with Airbnb remains high, and it's crucial to consider the long-term implications. The second issue with Airbnb is the additional maintenance. Guests may not treat your property with the same care as homeowners, leading to frequent repairs and replacements. It's a hidden aspect that many don't mention. That's something I hadn't considered. Finally, some areas are implementing zoning restrictions on Airbnb properties. Relying solely on Airbnb for your financial plan might become risky if regulations change unexpectedly. In summary, my suggestion is to move your money to Oklahoma and consider either a traditional rental or an Airbnb there since it's in your vicinity. You're in control of the property, avoiding the potential issues of long-distance management. Your goal of financial independence aligns with wise financial decisions. Thank you for the insights. I appreciate it. Absolutely, and congratulations on your upcoming move. It's a significant step towards achieving your financial goals. Remember, strategic property investment can be a powerful tool for financial independence without compromising your commitment to the church. Best of luck on your journey!